Fatal Risk Standard COVID-19. African Rainbow Minerals Machado Dope Works has put control measures in place in order to prevent the spread of COVID-19. The aim of this video is to ensure good health and safety of employees whilst working through the COVID-19 pandemic. Please familiarize yourself with the Fatal Risk Standard COVID-19 Critical Control Measures. Vulnerable employees. Employees with chronic or other medical conditions will be declared medically unfit and will not be allowed to work in high-risk areas. Pre-screening. Upon entering the site, your body temperature will be taken. Before this is done, avoid standing in the sun. Remove any head cover and position yourself at the demarcated distance from the scanning equipment to obtain an accurate measure. Employees with temperatures between 37.5 and 38 degrees Celsius will be isolated and transferred to the screening facility. All employees suspected of COVID-19 infection must be tested and isolated at home or in designated isolation facilities as determined by the occupational medical practitioner until the results are determined. Personal protection equipment. A surgical mask must be worn by all employees throughout their travel to and from work as well as on-site. Other respiratory personal protective equipment that can be worn includes an N95, FFP2 or FFP3 respirator mask, a cloth mask, or a bandana. Drivers and employees performing handheld scanning of temperatures as well as operators of breathalyzer units must wear the following approved PPE. Gloves, preferably with longer cuffs, respiratory protective equipment, and face shields, spectacles, or safety glasses. Sanitization. Hand sanitizer is available at strategic areas. All employees will be required to sanitize their hands before entering the site, as well as operation transport. Always remember to practice personal hygiene. Social distancing. Maintain social distancing at all times. In all places where individuals may be in close contact, marks indicating the required 1.5 to 2 meter spacing must be placed. Physical contact is not permitted under any circumstances. Avoid creating larger crowds. Cleaning and disinfecting. All areas and equipment will be cleaned and disinfected regularly according to specified cleaning schedules. Cleaning personnel must wear disposable gloves for all tasks in the cleaning process. All cleaning staff involved in the cleaning and disinfectant process must have received training in the appropriate procedures, cleaning methods, cleaning materials used, and appropriate waste disposal. COVID-19 employee training. All employees will be trained on the following key COVID-19 areas: signs and symptoms, reporting, infection prevention, control methodologies for transportations, pre-screening procedures, use of specialized equipment, and general control measures. High contact or high density risk areas. When necessary, physical barriers will be installed, as well as sanitizer placed in the following high density risk areas: PPE issuing points, boardrooms, control rooms, canteens, open plan offices, security posts, kitchen and tea rooms. The management team shall have COVID-19 as a standard agenda item at all meetings to assess the impact of the COVID-19 threat and determine any actions that need to be taken.